Good morning, students. Today we are going to do direct and indirect speech. We often need to report messages, speeches, comments, requests, etc. of a one person to another person. And we can report the words of a speaker in two ways. First is direct, second is indirect. When we report the words of a speaker in his actual words with quotation mark, that is called direct speech. And when we say the speaker words without quoting his exact words and without quotation mark, that is called indirect speech. To change direct into indirect, we have to follow some rules. First rule of said. Mrs. Shivana is subject, said is verb, and after bache object is not given here. When the object is not given, then said will remain same. Here, Amit subject, said verb, and after verb, his friend is an object. But when object is given, then said to will change in told. Object is not given, said will remain same. Object is given, said to will change in told. Second rule of conjunction. To join the both sentences, we have to use a conjunction. For the assertive sentences, assertive means positive or negative. For positive or negative sentences, we use conjunction that. Third, changes of pronoun. Changes of pronoun, as you can see, I here change in she. So that is changes of pronoun. They are given S-O-N, as subject, O object, and no change. First person, speaker, I-V. Second person, listener, you. Third person, others, he, she, it, and they. First person change according to subject. Second person pronoun will change according to object. And third person pronoun will not change. As you can see here, I is their subject. We will change only pronoun and verb, we will change only this side. So there I is a first person pronoun and it will change according to subject Mrs. Shivana. Mrs. Shivana is a female, so here is written she. As Amit said to his friend, you are ill. You is a second person. Second person is according to object. His friend, male, so here is written he. This is changes of pronoun. If there is he, she, it and the third person, then third person pronoun will not change. They will return same. Fourth changes is there of verbs. As you can see, am is changed into was and are is changed into was. Then how to change the verbs? First of all, we will read when we have no need to change the verbs. If the reporting verb is say or will say, this said is a reporting verb. Okay. So if in the place of said, say or will say is there, then the verbs will not change. Example, Mrs. Shivana says, I will take a class. Mrs. Shivana says that she will take a class. Other changes will be same, but we will only not change the verb. If universal truth or habitual fact is there, then we will also not change verb. Like doctor said, eating too many sweets spoils the teeth of children. That is truth. So their conjunction will use, pronoun will change, but the verb will not change. When we change verb, when in the reporting verb is said, then we will change verb. How? Verb first form will change in second form. Second will change in had verb third form. Is am are, was were, had been, will, shall, may, can, would, should, might, could. Would, should, might, could, ought to, used to, they will remain same, they will not change. Must will change in had to, has, have will change in had. As you can see here, am change into was according to new subject and are change in was according to new subject. More are there. The teacher said Amit needs to work hard. The teacher said, then conjunction that Amit. Amit is a name, it is not a pronoun, it is a noun, so it will come same. Amit needs, bache, that is a verb first form. It will change in needed verb second form to work hard. Second, he said the children liked movie. He said, then conjunction used that. The children noun same. Like is their verb second form So it will change in verb third form. In third form, okay, like will change in had verb third form. Then she said Kamla has clean room. She said, then conjunction that Kamla has changed into had cleaned room. Some more changes are there. Now will change in then, ago, before, today, that day, tonight, that night, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the previous day, next week, the following week, here, there, this, that, these, those, last night, the previous night. These were same for all type of sentences. In your syllabus, there are assertive and interrogative sentences. Now, interrogative sentences, the rule of changing of interrogative sentences. First is say or says. Both will change. Say will change into ask and says will change into asks. And said will change into asked or inquired. Then conjunction. In assertive we use that, but in interrogative we use conjunction if or whether if the interrogative sentence is starting with a helping verb, and if the interrogative sentence is starting with a question word, who, what, where, why, how, then these words will work as a conjunctions. Okay, and the interrogative sentence will change in assertive. What assertive means? Positive or negative. It means assertive we will change in positive, negative we will not use question mark. Example, the librarian said to me, which book do you want? The librarian said to will change in asked me, which is a question word, so this work as a conjunction. We will not use any other, this work as a conjunction. Then book do you want? We will change this sentence in positive sentence. Which book I wanted. To make the positive sentence, assertive sentence, what we do? That verb always come after the subject. Okay? Helping verb and verb always will come after the subject. And want, verb first form, it will change in verb second form. Leela said to me, can you tell me his address? Leela said to asked me. There no question word is there and the sentence is starting with can, so we will use here conjunction if. And again we have to change into in positive, so can will come after the subject. Then it become you will change according to me, here will come I. I can verb first form, it will change in second form could. If I could tell her his address. Me is their first person pronoun, it will change according to subject Leela, so here will come her. Now these are completed.